Hi everyone, welcome to Klevu's Partner Spotlight series. In these talks, we are going to discuss some of the hot topics around the world of e-commerce with the help of our dear partners. I'm Aron Stanic, a solutions architect at Klevu. To those of you unfamiliar with Klevu, we are an AI-powered solution product discovery suite that drives traffic conversion and loyalty for e-commerce websites while reducing bounce rates. Our solution is easy to configure, optimize and maintain, and fully integrates with major e-commerce platforms. Today with me, I have Bohdan Karapet, Frontend Developer at Vaimo, sharing his experiences delivering e-commerce solutions built on the MACH principles. Vaimo is a full-service omnichannel company with a 14-year track record of driving success in digital commerce across B2B, B2C, and D2C sectors. Vaimo works with brands, retailers, and manufacturers globally, and they have over 500 employees based in over 15 countries. And I can say we are very happy to have them as Klevu partners. Now we can kick off by sharing a bit of an introduction to modern principles of building e-commerce solutions that stand behind this abbreviation MACH. You have probably come across it. It's MACH, and it stands for Microservices, API First, Cloud Native, and Headless. These are the building blocks of new architecture that helps merchants achieve their results faster and with less hassle. Now, Bohdan, can you share your thoughts on why MACH, and in particular the microservices approach to introducing new features and technologies to e-commerce websites is better than the old way?
Hi, Aron. Hi, everyone. So I will probably talk from developer's perspective. And for me, the best thing in microservices and MACH is independence. So basically, all the functionalities are independent and have no or little influence on other integrations. So this is a really good thing. It also means a more secure way of introducing new features or services, less chances to influence other developers' code, and less interruptions on resolving conflicts and doing catch-ups, etc. So we also benefit in effort to implement or change services. Basically, creation of proof of concept or introducing MVP is much easier with this approach.
Thank you. Thank you for these insights, Bohdan. Now, when we are considering an e-commerce platform to select at the core of a new solution, and such that we'll be able to support merchants in these new modern principles, we should look no further than the one that actually started the entire MACH movement, and that's commercetools. Here at Klevu, we are investing a lot in enabling developers to implement headless solutions easily, as we will see in a couple of minutes during our next topic. But what would you say, why is commercetools a good platform to use if you want to go headless with your e-commerce business?
Yeah, basically, as you mentioned, commercetools introduced MACH principles, and it was built according to them. So basically, it's an implementation, may we say so, of MACH principles. So it provides you the core e-commerce functionality and even more. It provides you a catalog, products, cart, order functionalities, and everything that I mentioned is handled by commercetools, basically. And also, you will be able to integrate it with other services like email platforms or, for example, search solutions. In this example, if you are talking about search solutions, you might want to have advanced search functionality, which will boost your sales. And it can be achieved by Klevu, by usage of Klevu CDK, and yeah.
Thanks. This sounds great, right? So who wouldn't want to use commercetools? Now, as you mentioned, Klevu's SDK, our software development kit. Let's stay on that one for a minute. We have built this tool that aims to make it easier for developers to integrate Klevu into any headless frontend. Now, you've had hands-on experience using Klevu's Headless SDK on a recent project. What would you say are the main benefits of using such a solution if you are a developer?
So basically, the main benefits when we implemented a search solution using Klevu CDK was ease of implementation and the time that we spent on implementation. So it was really easy to implement and less time to implement if we are doing it, for example, from APIs or etc. So we implemented Klevu search bar with usage of Klevu SDK in one day. And we also used what was really great. We also used the examples that are provided in Klevu SDK repo. So, and search bar was not only about showing products or product tiles, it was also about showing search suggestions, which is really important. It was also showing last searches, which is really beneficial. And even if our search term is not matching any of products, we still can see recommended products. So, and also for me as a developer was really great to see that triggering Klevu events was really easy. It's just only one method, you're triggering it, and that's all. So really, really easy.
Well, that really sounds good. So thanks for these comments. So these benefits that you have mentioned, I'm sure that they will be easily recognized by merchants, as well as they will see their agencies and development teams integrating Klevu faster, giving them feature improvements and results sooner. Now, as we are talking about Headless, it's been more of a buzzword in the past years, and we can't say that it has really had a true global adoption yet. But with more and more developers, agencies, and merchants understanding the value behind these MACH principles, how do you see the future of Headless? Do you see us going back to the old monolithic platforms, or will Headless become the new norm? Or is it something in between?
So from my perspective, Headless is the next type of website evolution. I worked with monolith solutions and Headless solution, and I can definitely say that I prefer Headless. So basically, there are several main reasons why. First of all, it's economy of time. So time that I need to run project before even starting to develop new feature or starting to develop something, it differs a lot. Basically, if we're talking about Headless solution, it's not necessary to have everything running on local. For example, all the services, the whole monolith, we just simply connect to a server, to other services, and we can start the implementation right away. Second thing is effort, the effort that we need to run monolith, to install all required and all requirements. But me as a front-end developer, I will not use everything. I need just only my front-end. And basically, with Headless solution, I'm running only technologies that I need for my job and not spending effort and not spending time on other things. So I think it's part of answer about future of Headless. So basically, if you can develop easier, if you can implement things easier, I think this is the future.
Thank you. So you heard the man. You have to keep your developers happy, because at the end of the day, the end result will be better. So thank you for those final thoughts, Bohdan. I hope this talk brought you some useful insights into how the future of e-commerce is shaping up. But more importantly, what you can do today to help your business and your agency get on board by using these modern principles when planning and building an e-commerce solution. Stay tuned for other talks in the Klevu Partner Spotlight series, and make sure to reach out to us using the link below to get the conversation started around how we can help you improve your e-commerce business. See you around.
See you.